Previously, on Hardline.
So some real deal shit is going down.
There's someone you need to talk to. Oh, are you fucking kidding me?
You're about the only one we can trust.
Who could possibly be in it for me?
Dawes needs to know there are consequences for what he's done.
Is it really that tough a choice?
I'm Julian Dawes, and they say I cleaned up Miami. Yes, I've cleared the decks of a few bad apples, but I had a lot of help. Now, I've been a police officer my entire adult life. And as much as it pains me to admit it, I've come to realize that the way we do police work, especially drug enforcement, is dangerously outdated. With your investment, together we can forge the new future of law enforcement.
Our old captain's been busy.
Jeez. Cleaned up Miami? Get this, they're calling Dawes America's police chief. Where the hell is that from, anyway?
An angel investor pitch video. You ever heard of preferred outcomes?
No.
Well, you will. Dawes thinks privatized law enforcement is the future. Preferred outcomes is his way of cornering the market.
I changed my mind. Take me back to prison.
Maybe later. First this.
Car dealership.
Nope. Korean mafia front, and Dawes is involved.
I assume you have proof of that?
No, but we've got a guy on the inside. His name's Boomer. He's kind of a freelance IT guy for scumbags. You two will pick him up near the dealership. He'll have all the information we need to take Dawes down.
Remind me again why I should trust you?
Because you're the only one who hates Dawes more than I do.
Your guy Boomer's an hour late, Kai.
He's not picking up. That means something's wrong.
Without him, we get no info on Dawes.
Well, not necessarily.
You want us to break in?
Is anyone still inside?
I'm sick of this bullshit. My wife, till I be late.
Can you do that without fucking it up?
They're out.
Then yeah, I think you need to break in. Look, they've got to have sales records, bio info, credit ratings, I don't know. Everything I've learned about this place is rotten. You just need to find that computer. The thumb drive should be able to crack the password and get the files. In and out, simple. Right?
Definitely would not buy a car from that dude.
And Nick, keep an eye out for Boomer, okay? He's a good kid.
We'll do what we can.
So what, we're babysitters now?
Just park near the dealership. Someplace dark.
You know, I haven't actually robbed a place in probably 20 years.
Don't worry. I hear it's just like riding a bike.
Who puts a car dealership all the way out here?
Someone who doesn't give a shit about selling cars.
No alarm. Nice. There's like 20 computers in here.
If it's online, it's not the one we're looking for.
Mendoza. What's on the desk? by the computer. Is that a letter?
It's this one. All right, Kai. This better work.
Well, shit. You must have tripped the silent alarm.
Yeah. And those aren't cops. They're coming in.
Hey, check over there. I'm gonna check it out. Hey, did you look over there? Keep looking.
Hands up.
Back by the office. Get him! At least two. Hit him!
Tyson, we're about to get a second helping.
So, you enjoying your first day as a free man?
Between prison and this, I'll take this.
Over here.
Here they come.
He's this way. Did you see my George man? Nick, what? Who is this guy? Stop him!
Well, we're still alive. Nice work, Mendoza.
Yeah, you learn a couple useful things as a cop.
Speaking of which,
Your old pals are on their way.
Shit.
Simple, she said. In and out, she said.
Heads up.
Nick, that thing's got a minigun! Nick, fuck! That thing's gotta be done! We're out to drive! You gotta go now! Hey, get these guys! What the hell? God damn it, come on! I don't have him!
Come on, Tyson, get us out of here.
Get back up! It's coming! Coming again! Shit, my gun! Come on! Come on! Yeah, watch it! They're still alive! We gotta move! Don't let him out!
Right over there.
Can't take you there!
Got one!
Oh shit! You! Let's get out of here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Take a riverbed. Jesus Christ, that was nuts! Kai, we got the files. Heading back now.
Not yet. We still need to find Boomer.
Are you fucking kidding me?
He was working at Kang's scrapyard. It's nearby. I can't decrypt those files without him.
Kai, these dealership guys, they're still after us.
Look, you want to hurt Dawes? This is step one. Got it?
Yeah, got it. We'll be in touch.
Gotta give the lady what she wants. All right, pull up over there. Let's find this Boomer person.
I'll get a look inside. Can you spot me?
On it.
At least 5 or 6 guys in there. Looks like an alarm, too. How you want to handle this, officer?
So I gotta stay late. You want me to get that promotion? Okay.
Okay. No, not smoking.
I'm in an office. How could I be smoking?
Fine. We'll go to Busan.
Okay. Yeah. I don't care what Grace thinks about booking. It's fine. They don't even get started until like midnight. Start getting ready now, and I'll come pick you up, alright? Okay.
These idiots are faking. Kang will jump off.
So get dressed without me.
I don't know anything about it, and I don't want to know. I got one job to do. Right now, I'm doing it. And my advice, shut your mouth and do the same.
Once in my life, dude.
Boone, Boone.
Okay. Bye.
What is that? What was that? What now? What the fuck?
Then there were none. Time to find Boomer.
Okay. I heard gunshots and Hey, you want to pop this thing, please? Come on, man. Hey, yo. Oh, come on, man. I can't breathe in here. Okay.
Let me guess. Boomer.
Oh, man, thank you. You're Kai's friend, right?
Kai's friend? Not even close. What the hell happened to you?
You know those files that Kai asked me to get? They caught me trying to download them.
They were gonna put you in a car crusher?
You know that whole criminal psychopath thing? These dudes method act that shit, man.
But you got the files, right?
Of course I did. Come on, they're in my laptop, which is in my car, which is on the other side of that warehouse, which is filled with guards. Fuck!
The safest place for you is inside this trunk.
What? No way, Kimosabi. I'm coming with.
I'll be right back, I promise.
Dude, you can't even get in the warehouse without my key card. Hey!
Thanks.
Hey! No! Hey! Man! Hey, don't be part of the problem, man!